In this tutorial, I will show you an easy method to backup and print text messages from iPhone. Launch DearMob iPhone Manager and click SMS. Please note that, due to the constraint of Apple's ecosystem, you cannot get text messages directly from iPhone, you need to get it from the backup file. Click OK, so that the program starts to back up. The backup time depends on the size of the content on your iPhone. And once it is done, you can browse all your messages here. You can also view and save images and videos in the messages, such as funny an emoji that your friend sent over. Select all or some of your messages, and click Export. And you will get a PDF document with all the text messages ready for you to print out or archive the digital copies. Find the download link in the description below. Like us and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.